Students, today we are starting our next chapter, application of integrals. In this chapter, firstly we have to study about the boundaries of the area bounded by the curve y equal to fx, the x-axis and the ordinate x equal to a and x equal to b. Let a diagram which is here PABQ, PABQ. This is the graph curve y equal to fx, where f is continuous and positive in the interval AB. Okay, this is the A and this is the P. Now, as x increases continuously from A to B, y or fx increases, as well as x increases, as well as y increases. So let a xy be the any point. This is the point on the curve whose coordinate are neighboring coordinate. We are taking b, just neighbor to b, the coordinate of axy and coordinate of now. Then the point of b equal to x plus delta x, y plus delta y, and ordinate is b f. Okay. Now these are the value OE, x, O2 E, x and O2 F. इसमें अब डेल्टा एक्स ऐड कर दिया जाएगा. देन वी हैव टू ए ई वाई एंड बी एफ इज इक्वल टू वाई, बी एफ इज इक्वल टू वाई प्लस डेल्टा वाई. नाउ these are the area. If the area APLE, APLE and BPLF be bounded by S, then S plus delta S. Okay. Area of BPLF minus area of APLE, दोनों को माइनस कर देंगे, उसके बाद इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लेंगे. दिस इज द प्रोसीजर विच वी हैव टू फाइंड द लिमिट्स ए एंड बी. दीज आर द लिमिट्स एंड दिस इज द कर्व. अब इसको कैसे सॉल्व किया जाता, हाउ टू बी सॉल्व दीज क्वेश्चंस, it is depend upon the question. Let us start one. This is the question. Find the area bounded by the curve y square is equal to 4ax, y equal to 2a and y axis. If this is the given y axis, then it means the value of limit is 0 and 2a, and area is equal to x dy. Now the value of x we have to find from the equation x is equal to y square upon 4a, putting the value of y square here and then integrated it, and then we find the value of this. This is our final answer. After that, this is the area of in the form of fx. If y is equal to fx, the area is ordinate is bounded, x is equal to a and x is equal to b, then this is the form of the in the term of y, like that fy dy or x dy. Here y dx and here x dy. It means that the function is in form of y is equal to fx and as well as x is equal to fy. Now how to do? Now next question is find the area of region bounded by the line 3x equal to minus x plus 9, x axis and the line x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 4. The value of x is the limit 1 to 4 and y. We have to find the value of y from the equation. We get minus x upon 3 plus 3 and integrated this equation and putting the value of limits, and we have to find the total value is 30 upon 2 square unit. This is the procedure how do we do. Okay, firstly we have to integrated this form and then putting the value 4 and 1, and then we get the answer. Is it okay to everyone? Now the next topic is area between two curves. We have here two curves, y is equal to fx and y is equal to gx respectively. Then we have the area APBQ. This is the area which is shaded part. We have to subtract both the area that we have to get, and we have to find limit a to b and fx minus gx, y of the upper curve minus y of the lower curve dx. It means y2 minus y1 minus y1 dx. This is the format for the finding the value. Then how we will find the value, let us see. Now this is the question. Find the area lying above x-axis and enclosed between the circle x square plus y square is equal to 8x, and inside the parabola y square is equal to 4x. Now this is the question. X square plus y square is equal to 8x. Now x square minus 8x plus y is equal to 0. We have to solving this equation. We get in this form y is equal to 4 square minus x minus 4 whole square. The value of r is equal to 4 and center is equal to 4 and 0. Area of the COCPO plus area of the region PCQP is the format of the equation, and we have to decide 0 to 4. It is 0 to 4 and 0 4 to 8. 0 to 4 ये सेक्शन, इतना सेक्शन हम ले रहे हैं, तो इन दोनों को ऐड कर दिया जाएगा. पहले y की वैल्यू आ जाएगी √2 x dx, और उसके बाद ये वैल्यू आ जाएगी. दोनों को सॉल्व कर लिया जाएगा, और सोल्यूशन करने के बाद आफ्टर द सोल्यूशन we get the value of this and putting the value of 4 and 0, 8 and 4 and 0. Then after that we have to simplify this equation in the form of this comes. This is the formula for sin x, and putting the value of sin x in this equation, and we get total value this. This is the process how to solve this type of the question. It means one type of the formula, then we have to solve this formula and putting the value of limits, and we get answer. Is it okay to everyone? Okay. Now the next question is find the area of the smaller region bounded by ellipse. Ellipse is x square upon 9 plus y square upon 4 equal to 1, and line x upon 3 y upon 2 is equal to 1. Now firstly we have to find the value of a and b. We get vertex. These are the vertex of the ellipse, and also equation of line. This is the equation of line. Solving the equation of line this and this, we get the value of 3 0 and 0 2. To find out the value of y square from here, the value of y square is this, and the value of y from the line, the required area is this, because both are in the form of in this region 0 2 and 2 3. So we are taking the limits 0 to 3 and 0 to 3, both we have to putting here. Now this is the form of the sin square x. We have to apply the sin x, and this not have any formula, then it is simply integrate and putting the value of 3 0. Firstly we have to putting the 3 in this place and 0, then after 3 and 0. The value of all the values are zeros here, and we have to simplify this and we get this equation. Okay, now it is okay to everyone. This is the procedure to find the integrations. It is the application of the integrals.